Morning traders, and this is your Aussie day trade setup for today. So today we're probably going to get another massive move to the downside. There's a couple of things on the go in the South African market. So the first one is that the Federal Reserve from the US cut interest rates to zero last night, just as the market opened. So that is just an indication of how worried the central banks are about the financial markets at the moment. And the second thing is that South Africa announced all their measures for containing the virus. So the net result of this is we are going to get hammered. The rand is fairly stable at the moment, surprisingly. We're sitting at 16.30, so it is slightly weaker, but not as much as I would have expected this morning. 10 cent other proxy is down 3.7%. The US market opened straight on to limit, so they closed at the moment. Can't trade anything there. So I have a very strong feeling that we're going to have a pretty big gap down and probably another big week. So we had pretty much we had a week down, and then we had a week of nothing, and then we had another week down. I think we're going to get hammered today. There's no two ways about it. And there is a bit of structure on the weekly further down, which is kind of 36,000 area, 37,000 area, 36,000 area. I mean, this is massive moves. If you think about it, that's, we're starting to get into 7 years of gains eroded. So yeah, it's for me, there's no opportunity here. So we'll be sitting on the sidelines and watching this. I'm really not interested in this at the moment. There's no structure to the left, which does excite me, because when we move up, there's going to be no structure to the left as well. So we will pick up these elements here, but because we didn't sort of hover around these areas, what I'm saying, if you take that area there's a bit of structure there. We just bomb straight through it. So 9 times out of 10, when we move to the back to the upside, we'll just bomb through that area as well. Until we form structure somewhere, then that'll be the new structure area to look at. So for now, I think we're in free fall, and we're going to have to wait and see what happens today. The US markets, all of them at limit down at the moment, and I don't see them coming off those until we open. And even when the US Open does happen, we're probably going to have a further gap down. So for me, I'm out of the markets this week. Not really interested in this nonsense. We'll wait and see. Maybe we get some structure forming somewhere along the lines where people start thinking like normal human beings instead of behaving in the manner that they are at the moment, and stop panicking over something like this. Anyway, not going to be trading. Hope it helps you somewhat to convince you to stay out of the markets. But anyway, we will have a look at it again tomorrow and see what happens then. Have a good day. Cheers for now.